Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 Pro, and in this video I'm gonna share a couple of simple solutions on how to make your laptop work faster. So to increase your device's performance, you can change the power mode. To do that, right click the battery icon in the bottom right corner of the screen on the status bar, then open power and sleep settings, and here go to power mode and change one of these two options. I recommend that you only use this change for the plugged in option, because when your device works on battery with the best performance mode, it discharges very quickly, so it's not practical to use that on battery, and since your device cannot use the full capacity of its resources when it works on battery, so change this option to best performance, and this way you will increase your device's performance to its maximum. Now to increase it even more, you can right click the taskbar, open the task manager, then go to startup section right here, and in startup section you'll see the list of applications. Some of them will turn on when your laptop boots up. You can sort them by status and see which ones have the enabled status, which means that they start up along with your laptop. As you can see, for me, these are pretty basic applications that are pre-installed with the Windows. I don't really want nor do I need to disable their startup during my Windows boot up. But if you have some excessive applications like I don't know, like game launchers or maybe messengers or something that you don't necessarily need to start up when your device boots up, then right click such application and select disable, and this will prevent this application from starting up when your device boots up, which will both decrease the time of your device's startup, and it will also increase your device's productivity, since there will be one less application running in the background when you're using your PC. Now the next advice I have to give you is that you should always close the tabs in your browser that you're not using, since every tab consuming some of your memory, RAM memory. Let me open the task manager with the processes section, and as you can see right now, when I have a bunch of opened tabs, even the empty ones without any websites on them, the browser already uses 44% of the memory, to 2 gigabytes of RAM memory, which is incredibly huge number. Now if you simply close your unused tabs, you will significantly decrease your RAM memory usage, so please keep that in mind. Well, as you can see now, the RAM memory usage drops down. And now the last advice I have to share with you is to download HONOR device PC Manager, which is the official software for your laptop. If you don't have it pre-installed on your device, you can check if you do. In search or start menu, just search for HONOR PC Manager. If you have it right here, that's great, just run it. But if you don't, you can download it. Look up HONOR PC Manager. Then you'll see the official HONOR website with this PC Manager and System Driver download. Open it. Then on the following page, select your product type, which is laptop, product series, which is X, and device model, which is X16. In my case, I believe it's 2022. Then click search. and here you'll see the PC Manager downloader. So what you have to do is download this application, unpack the zip file, find the let me show it to you actually. So you'll download the zip file, open it, go to software, there you'll have another zip file, open it, and then run this application, and the download and installation process will start. You can go through it. You can check the full video on how to do this in how to update drivers video, I believe, for this PC. So if you need it, go ahead and check it out. But basically the installation process is pretty simple. You don't have to do anything during the installation. And once it's complete, the installation, you can run the application either by finding it in the start menu or by pressing F11 when the secondary functions of the function keys are enabled. To enable the secondary functions of your function keys, press F1 button and make the light glow in the top right corner of it. Then press not F11, excuse me, F10 button. And once you press it, the application will start running. And here you can see both full scan, that will scan your device for hardware issues, and also the drivers update, so which is incredibly important for your device's performance. And also you have the computer cleanup. Let's start a computer cleanup. Then click right here, and if there is any cleanable content on your PC, you will be able to the application will take care of it. And that's also a pretty useful tool for your device's productivity, so I recommend using it at least once a week. And basically that's all I wanted to say in this video, so I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.